Hello students, myself Suresh VS, welcome back to my channel. Let us continue the lesson The Enemy by Pearl S. Buck. So please take page number 40. Sadova goes to see the general. Let us see what happened there. Sadova went to the general and he told whatever happened in his house. So immediately the general replied. Of course, the general said weakly, I understand fully, but that is because I once took a degree in Princeton. So few Japanese have. मुझे सब समझ में आ रहा है. मैं क्यों समझ रही? क्योंकि मैं अमेरिकन में था. मैं उधर से एक डिग्री लिया हुआ है. कहाँ से? प्रिंसटन दैट इज इन अमेरिका. इसलिए मैं सब कुछ समझ सकता हूँ. But only a few Japanese will be able to understand this. I care nothing for the man, Excellency, Sado said, but having operated on him with such success. Then Sado immediately said, I care nothing for the man. That means he did not care for this American. He is least worried about American. American के बारे में इतना उसका कुछ भी होने दो. He is least worried about it. But he said he had completed the operation very successfully. और कुछ बोलने वाला था, लेकिन मैंने बहुत सक्सेसफुली उनको ऑपरेशन किया है. इतना बोला. कंप्लीट करने का पहले yes, the general started speaking. Yes, the general said, it only makes me feel you are more indispensable to me. Indispensable means very important, unavoidable. But it proves that you are very important for me. You are unavoidable for me. That means you are very much essential for me. Evidently, you can save anyone. It proves that you can save anyone. ये clear है. आप किसको भी save कर सकते हैं. आदमी का condition कितना खराब हो, you can save him. That is proved here. And you are so skilled. आप बहुत skilled हो. You are very efficient. So you say, do you think I can stand one more such attack as I have had today? आज जो ऐसे अटैक एक और बार मुझे अटैक आ गया तो, हार्ट अटैक आ गया तो मैं सर्वाइव हो सकता है? Not more than one, Sado said. So Sado said, एक और बार नहीं हो सकता है. That means he could not survive one more time if an attack comes. Then certainly I can allow nothing to happen to you. In that case, I have to protect you. मैं आपको प्रोटेक्ट करना है. आपको कुछ भी नहीं होना देंगे. I should not leave you for anything. I should not leave you to the police or army. The general said with anxiety. His long, pale Japanese face became expressionless. And expressionless. What is expressionless? Why? उसको face एकदम expressionless हो गया. इसका मतलब he became disappointed, sad. Why? Because he was thinking something very deeply, which meant that he was in a deep thought. You cannot be arrested. मैं आपको अरेस्ट होने नहीं देंगे. You should not be arrested. आपको अरेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए कोई भी. The general said, closing his eyes. Eyes बंद करके बोला, at any cost, you should not be arrested. Suppose you were condemned to death and the next day I had to have my operation. सोच लो, आपको इसी दिन you are sentenced to death. You are sentenced to death. Condemned to death means you are sentenced to death as a traitor. एक traitor बोल के आपको अगर sentence किया, death punishment दिया, and next day I have had my operation. अगर मुझे operation चाहिए तो next day में क्या होगा? कौन operation करेगा? There are other surgeons, Excellency, suggested. उसमें क्या problem? There are other surgeons in our country. None I trust. लेकिन मैं कोई surgeons में विश्वास नहीं रखता हूँ. The general replied. The best ones have been trained by Germans and would consider the operation successful even if I died. और अपने country में जो best surgeons हैं, they are trained by Germans. उनको training कहाँ से मिला? German से. अगर मेरा operation हो गया, मैं मर गया, फिर भी वो बता देंगे the operation was success. ऐसे बोलेगा. I do not care for their point of view, so I don't give much importance to their point of view, their opinion. I don't care their opinions. I don't want to hear their opinion also. And you see, he sighed, he took a deep breath, and afterwards he continued. It seems a pity. That means it's really disappointed. It's really sad that we cannot better combine the German ruthlessness. Ruthlessness means harshness, cruelty, with the American sentimentality. Sentimentality means excess emotion. So according to him, Germans act them cruelly, and Americans are really sentimental, excess sentimental. So ये दोनों character को combine करते हुए लोग इधर नहीं है. We don't have persons, yes, combined with these qualities. The qualities of Germans, that they are very cruel, and the qualities of Americans, that they are excess emotional. So it is really a pity or disappointment that we cannot better combine. ये दोनों अपन combine नहीं कर सकते. That means we don't have the persons who could combine all these two qualities. Then you could turn your prisoner over to execution, and yet I could be sure you would not murder me while I was unconscious. But then you could turn your prisoner. आप ये अमेरिकन को और वो prisoner को आप जापानीज आर्मी को नहीं तो पुलिस को आप हैंड ओवर करेंगे किसके लिए? फॉर एक्सिक्यूशन. एक्सिक्यूशन मीन्स किलिंग, लीगल पनिशमेंट. आप लीगल पनिशमेंट के लिए और किलिंग के लिए आप हैंड ओवर करेंगे. फिर भी मुझे यकीन है आप ऑपरेशन का टाइम पर मेरा अनकॉन्शियस स्टेट में आप मुझे मर्डर नहीं करेगा. द जनरल लाफ्ड. टेलिंग दैट द जनरल लाफ्ड. ही हैड एन अनयूजुअल सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर. उसको एक अच्छा सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर है. ओके, he has a very good sense of humor. As a Japanese, could you not combine these two foreign elements? So he asked. As a Japanese, he asked Sadao to combine these two elements. कौन सा elements है? ये Germans का cruelty and the Americans excess sentiment. That means as a cruel man, he should hand over the American to the Japanese army for execution. Okay, the American sentiment in the sense that having that sentiments to look after or operate the general. So ये दोनों आप mix कर सकते हैं क्या? So as a Japanese, could you not combine these two foreign elements? ये दोनों foreign elements को आप combine कर सकते हैं? ये asked. Sado smiled. I'm not quite sure, sir. मुझे इतना sure नहीं है. He said, but for your sake, I would be willing to try. Excellency. But for your sake, मैं कोशिश तो करूँगा. The general shook his head. The general immediately he shook his head. I had rather not be the test case. उसने बोला मैं एक experiment case नहीं होना चाहिए. He did not want to be a person on whom a new trial or an experiment would be done. He felt suddenly weak and overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means full of emotions. So suddenly general एकदम weak हो गया और full of emotions हो गया. He was filled with full of emotions. Why? With the case of his life as an official in times such as this, when repeated victory brought great responsibility over the South Pacific. You see that South Pacific में Japanese army continuous victory लिया. So in this continuous victory or success, who as an official he led the army, and so that he had a lot of responsibility. ये सारे responsibility उनका hard work इसके बारे में सोच के हुए he became tired and full of emotion. It's very unfortunate that this man should have washed upon your doorstep, he said irritably. Oh, yeah, really it is unfortunate, unlucky. क्या ये आदमी आपके घर पे आ गया. He was washed or he was reached upon your doorstep. I feel it for myself. सड़ो से चलिए तो सड़ो ने बोला मुझे भी ऐसे लग रहा है. मैं एकदम अनलकी हूँ. ये मेरे ही घर पे आ गया. It would be best if he would be quietly killed. The general said immediately. General ने एक आइडिया बोला. ये सबसे बेस्ट ये होगा उसको चुपचाप मार डालो. Not by you, but by someone who does not know him. ये आप मत करो. So it can be done by somebody that you don't know. I have my own private assassins. उसके लिए मेरे पास मेरा प्राइवेट असासिन्स है. Assassins means murders or killers. Suppose I send two of them to your house tonight or better any night. और जनरल यही कर सकता है क्या है, ये assassin को और ये killers को सड़ों को घर पे वो बेचना तैयार है. So I will send these assassins to one or two assassins to your house at night, any night. You need not nothing about it. You need not to know anything about it. Okay, I will do it. It is now warm. Now it is warm. बहुत गर्मी है. So what would be more natural than that you should leave the outer partition of the white man's room open to the garden while he sleeps. एक ही काम करना. वो white man सोने का टाइम पर जो पार्टीशन का बाहर का दरवाजा खुला रखा क्योंकि ये गर्मी है तो सबको नेचुरल लगेगा. तो गर्मी की वजह से दरवाजा खुला रखा. So you just open and keep the door to the the garden when he sleeps. Certainly it would be very natural. Sado agreed. तो सड़ो ने बोला हाँ ये तो एकदम नेचुरल लगेगा. In fact it is so left open every night. ये तो हम बंद नहीं करते. रोज every day we used to open at night. Good, the general said. ये तो अच्छा है. Then he said yawning. You know yawning? Open mouth. Okay, and inhale deeply. They are very capable assassins. ये देखो मेरे पास जो private assassins हैं वो बहुत capable है, बहुत efficient है. They make no noise and they know the trick of inward bleeding. और when they kill, yes, कुछ भी आवाज नहीं आएगा. वो भी कुछ आवाज नहीं आएंगे. और दूसरा एक बात है उनको अच्छे से मालूम है कैसे inward bleeding करना है. इसका मतलब there won't be any trace of blood on the body after killing. So if you like, I can even have them remove the body. अगर आप बोलेगा तो उनको बॉडी भी निकाल देंगे उधर से. उनको बोल के तो बॉडी भी if you agree, if you want, so the body also can be removed from there. Sadova considered that perhaps would be best. उसने सोचा ये सबसे बेस्ट आइडिया होगा. So Excellency, he agreed thinking of Hannah, and he was deeply thinking about Hannah's unhappiness, her distress, her worries. So उसने सोचा ये सबसे बेस्ट आइडिया होगा. He left the general's presence then and went home. So immediately he left the general's home and went home and thinking over the plan. While going home also, he was always going on thinking about this plan. In this way, the whole thing would be taken out of his hands. ये सबसे अच्छा है. अभी उसको कुछ करना ही नहीं. So everything would be taken out of his hands now. He would tell Hannah nothing. उसने सोचा ये कुछ भी प्लान खानों का नहीं बोलेंगे. Since she would be timid at the idea of assassins in the house, and yet certainly such persons were essentially in an absolute state such as Japan was. खानों को नहीं बोलेंगे क्योंकि खाना एकदम timid हो जाएगा. So खाना would be worried, खाना would be scared, वो डर जाएंगे और nervous हो जाएगा. अगर assassins और killers अपने घर पे आ रहे एक आदमी को खूनी कर रहे ये सब उनको एकदम ये सोच के nervous हो जाएंगे. इसलिए खानों का नहीं बोलना. फिर उसने सोचे ऐसे assassins, ऐसे murders एक कंट्री में होना चाहिए. And it is needed, essential in an absolute state. Absolute means in a despotic state. जापान जैसे despotic state में जैसे private assassins or killers होना चाहिए. Such as Japan was. How else could the rulers deal with those who opposed them? So it was the only way to. ये एक ही तरीका है. जैसे उनको despots को oppose करना, लोगों को handle करना का एक ही तरीका यही है. Then only they can continue their role. He thought. He refused to allow anything but reason to be the atmosphere of his mind as he went into the room where the American was in bed. So when after reaching home he went directly to the boy or the American boy where he was taking rest. So जब रूम में जाने के टाइम पर उसने और कोई भी थॉट्स उनका मन में आने नहीं दिया. He was only thinking about about the plan. He did not allow any plan, any ideas or any thoughts to come to his mind. And not only that, he was trying to reason it. That means justify. वो अपना justify कर रहा था. मैं सही कर रहा हूँ. He refused to allow anything to. But as he opened the door, to his surprise, he found the young man out of bed and preparing to go into the garden. लेकिन रूम में एंटर किया तो उन्होंने देखा. So that boy was out of his bed. और ये बाहर जाना का तैयारी में, गार्डन जाना का तैयारी में। व्हाट इज दिस, ये एक्सक्लेम्ड। थोड़ा गुस्सा है और सरप्राइज भी हो गया, तो पूछा ये क्या है। हु गेव यू परमिशन टू लीव योर रूम, किसने परमिशन दिया रूम छोड़ के जाने। आई एम नॉट यूज्ड टू वेटिंग फॉर परमिशन, मैं परमिशन के लिए कभी वेट नहीं किया, मेरे को आदत नहीं है। टॉम said gaily, his name is Tom, and he said very happily, gosh, I feel pretty good again. Gosh is he that एक मेंटल आइडिया सॉरी फीलिंग से एक्सप्रेस करते हुए इसने बोला, सो आई फील प्रेटी गुड अगेन, मुझे अभी अच्छा लग रहा है, वापस अच्छा लग रहा है। बट फील द मसल्स ऑन दिस साइड ऑलवेज फील स्टिफ, लेकिन मेरा ये साइड का जो मसल्स दे ऑलवेज रिजिड एंड स्टिफ, ये एकदम हार्ड लग रहा है। सो ये हमेशा ऐसे रहेंगे। इस इट सो, सडो एनकोड सरप्राइज, अच्छा ऐसे ही क्या, ही वॉज रियली सरप्राइज, ही फॉरगॉट ऑल एल्स, वो अपने प्लान के बारे में सब कुछ भूल गया और ऐसे मसल्स में ऐसे कुछ हो गया। He was really surprised. Now I thought I had provided against that. So I thought that I had done whatever needed for that. उसके लिए क्या क्या करना है मैंने कर लिया, मैंने ये सोचा, तो मतलब मेडिसिन वाला दिया, ये सोचा। He murmured, he said sorry or whispered. He lifted the edge of the man's shirt. तो उसका शर्ट का एज ओपन करके he started examining the skirt and gazed. The gaze here means inspected the healing the scars, और ठीक होते हुआ वो स्कार को उसने देखा। He checked the marks. मसाज में do it, उसको मसाज करना, मसाज से ठीक हो जाएगा। He said if exercise does not, अगर एक्सरसाइज से ठीक नहीं होती तो मसाज करना पड़ेगा। It won't bother me much, it doesn't trouble me much, उसमें मुझे मैं इतना बोधर नहीं उसके बारे में। The young man said. His young face was gaunt under the stubbly blonde beard. The gaunt means lean and thin. Or under his yes, the hair, what hair? Blonde beard. Blonde beard means the yellow colored beard. So इसको yellow colored beard का under उसका face एकदम छोटा लग रहा था। That means he looked up, the young man's face looked very thin under this blonde or yellow colored beard. Say, doctor, I have got something I want to say to you. मुझे आपसे कुछ बात करना है। If I hadn't met a Jap like you, well, I wouldn't be alive today. आप जैसे एक जापानीज को अगर मैं नहीं मिलते, आज मैं जिंदा नहीं होता। I know that. Sado bowed, but he could not speak. मुझे मैं जानता हूँ। So he just bent his head, but he did not speak. Sure, I know that. Tom went on warmly. He was very happy. And you see that he continued very happily. Yes, I know that. His big thin hands gripping a chair were white at the knuckles. You see the knuckles, that is the joint of the fingers. Okay, so joints in the finger. So he held a chair very tightly. एक chair को एकदम tightly पकड़ा। उस टाइम इनको joints, finger का joints एकदम white दिख रहा था। I guess if all the Japs were like you, there wouldn't have been a war. सारे जापानी साहब जैसे होते तो अभी ऐसे war नहीं होते। अमेरिकन और जापान के बीच में war नहीं होता था। Perhaps Sado said with difficulty, with great difficulty, Sado said, perhaps. And now I think you had better go back to bed. मुझे अभी लग रहा है आपको वापस बेड में जाना है। He helped the boy back into bed and then bowed. So he made him to sleep again on the bed, and afterwards he bent his head and said good night. Dear students, I hope this much part very well. So we will discuss the other part of the lesson in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.